let us make candle fold now. So we place our serviette diagonally and fold it into half like a triangle. We fold it diagonally like this, and then say just about 1.5 inch from the base we will fold it like this. We need a nice firm base for our candle to stand. So then we will flip it like this. The folded side goes down and the plain side is on top. And from here we start rolling out our serviette. Okay. Make sure it's a nice tight roll. First we'll have to make sure that it's nice and tight, then it becomes easier. Just go on rolling it. So our candle is ready. All we need to do is just tuck this part in here. Okay. So what we did, we folded out a triangle, our serviette into a triangle, folded about 1.5 inch thick from the other side. Then we made a nice roll so that we have ourselves a nice base, and this is our candle.